Click on the link below to get price. The Water Damage Restoration Combo Package is an impressive solution for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts dealing with water-related issues. This package includes 48 air movers and 4 air scrubbers, making it an ideal choice for large-scale projects or multiple smaller jobs. First and foremost, the air movers are powerful and efficient, providing ample airflow to accelerate the drying process. Each unit is designed with multiple speed settings, allowing for customization based on the severity of the water damage. The lightweight and stackable design make them easy to transport and store, which is a significant advantage for restoration teams that need to move quickly and cover large areas. The durability of the air movers is commendable, as they are built to withstand the rigors of commercial use while maintaining optimal performance. The air scrubbers included in the package further enhance the effectiveness of the restoration process. These units are equipped with high-efficiency particulate air (HEPA) filters that capture dust, mold spores, and other airborne contaminants, ensuring that the air quality in the affected area is restored alongside the physical drying of materials. This dual functionality is crucial in preventing future issues related to mold growth and allergens. One of the standout features of this combo package is its cost-effectiveness. Purchasing these units as a bundle offers substantial savings compared to buying them individually, making it a smart investment for restoration businesses looking to expand their equipment inventory without breaking the bank. Additionally, the customer service offered by the manufacturer is responsive and helpful, providing peace of mind with warranty options and support. In conclusion, the Water Damage Restoration Combo Package is a comprehensive solution that combines efficiency, power, and value. Whether tackling a flooded basement or improving air quality after a leak, this package provides all the necessary tools to restore spaces effectively and efficiently. It's an investment that promises high returns and satisfaction for contractors and homeowners alike.